In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a blank page in LibreOffice Writer. So, first of all, open up your LibreOffice Writer and load up the document with, it can be a blank page. Next, we need to reveal what's really going on. So, at the top menu, click on View and then enable formatting marks. Click on it. This will show hidden characters, things that don't print, but can completely change your layout. If you like a keyboard shortcut, you can press Ctrl F10 to turn formatting marks on or off. Now you can scroll down until you reach the blank page. So I will go here and insert a page right like so. With formatting mark turned on, you will usually see extra paragraph symbol, which looks like a backward P, as you can see here. You might also see her horizontal line, which means there's a manual page break, but right here. Now, place your cursor at the beginning of the blank page. Highlight any visible formatting marks you see. So I will go with this one here. This can include extra paragraph marks, a manual page break, or other empty spacing. You are not deleting real content, only the hidden characters that are forcing that page to exist. Press backspace or delete until the symbol disappear and the page collapse. If you see manual page break that doesn't disappear right away, so if I go something like that, and I will go back, that I will show you, I will make a manual break page. Now you can see that I make manual break page. Now I can select all of this and the break page needs to disappear, as you can see. So yeah, also watch the page count as you do this. Once the extra page disappears, the layout is fixed. When everything looks correct, you can turn formatting marks off again from the view menu, like so, and right here, and now they are disappeared. And now you have clean editing view. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.